All right, so we're all locked and loaded, ready to go here. We're gonna head out to Crab Flats Campground for some tent camping tonight. Me and Caesar and Carlo. It's gonna be our first time tent camping with kids. My buddy James is gonna be there. He's real good with the boys too, so they hopefully will give us mercy. Walk around here. But it'll be a fun trip. The truck. How are you guys feeling about camping in the tent? Are you excited, Carlo? Are you scared?
We never camped in a tent.
You excited? Are you scared of the bear? Are you scared of the bear? Yeah. What about you, Caesar? How are you feeling about tent camping?
I feel great.
You feel great. Are you scared of the bear?
No.
You think he's gonna eat us?
Nope.
Cool. So I'm gonna head out here a little bit and check back in with you soon on this exciting new nervous adventure that we're about to have. All right, we're taking off. Headed out of here. Camp bound. Camp time. You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're headed out. We'll go pick up Uncle James, okay? Let's go. All right, we just got to Moreno Valley. Picked up James. All locked and loaded here. Just waiting for him to come out. The boys are in their belts. We got this giant firewood log. It's gonna help us for sure. Hopefully that thing's gonna go anywhere. Yeah, we're all ready to go. Caesar got a bean and cheese burrito. It has green sauce on it, and he said it's a spicy pickle sauce, and he likes it. Okay, go. I love you, son.
Next time I want to do that again.
Except you want to do it. That's a nice view, man. Wow. Stuff you only get with off-road and camping. I mean, like, I guess I just mean like off the beaten path. Yeah, exactly. Whoa. Yeah, I would puke. Dang. Look at these vistas. Don't get back, get back. Mommy will die.
Let's go back.
Okay, let's go back. It's scary. Let's go keep riding. Let's go see what else we find. You should look at that view though, James. Stopped right here. There's a little creek. I think this is Holcomb Creek. James is doing some rock crawling on the quad, trying not to buy it. Handled it, handled it. Yeah. There we go.
That's how you park.
That's how you park. Climb over a couple rocks on the way. We stopped at this, there's this little water crossing right here on the trail, and we stopped here. Check it out. James regrets not bringing his gear because he said he could have caught a fish in this thing. I wonder if these logs naturally washed up here or somebody put them here. Carlo, get back here, bud. No, don't go through the water again.
I don't like so I gotta fix.
What?
There's something down there I don't like. I gotta
What is it?
Please, can I go in the water?
A monster? Good people. Oh boy, we're going swimming. Boys, back up.
No, we just going on the walk. We're gonna go on Colorado.
Don't go in the water.
No,
You got no extra shoes and you already wet those.
No, we're gonna go on the rock. Be careful.
Okay, too far. No more.
Yeah.
Come back, climb back up. Climb back up. We gotta leave.
There's actually a tub. There's actually a
Going way too far in there. Come on, get out. We're staying out here at Crab Flats Campground and took one of the off-highway trails out here, and it's absolutely beautiful. There's a stream here. The kids are climbing. Get back here. That's too far, Carlo. Come back. That's too far. You're gonna fall in the water. Come back. And they're getting way too excited, but it's beautiful. I mean, it's just hidden gems right in our backyard. Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go riding. They're just having a great time. No, let's go. Come back. We got to go to the Razor. We're super far from the Razor already. Come on, Carlo. Don't fall in the water.
I gotta take a poop.
You got to go poop? Right now? Getting chilly now. We're out here at Crab Flats Campground in, what city is this? San Bernardino County Mountains. I'm not sure what city it is exactly. Right near Green Valley Lake. It's getting chilly. It is, what, June 7th? Middle, summer almost, or feels like it. Is that an animal? Do you hear that?
What?
Listen.
It's no, it's the wind.
That's an animal.
Sounds like a bird.
That's a bear. That's a hey bear.
That's a hay squirrel. That's a hay.
Might be a bird. Yeah, it's probably a bird. Getting chilly out here. We got our tents getting set up right now. Let me know if you need help, James. Caesar, don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. Let him do his thing. It's just so funny because my kids are two different spirits. Caesar's out here trying to learn from James how to set up a tent. And what Carlo's doing? Go figure, eating Cheetos, drinking a Sprite, playing his computer by himself in the tent. There's a little creek that we had to cross in the off-road trail. They decided they would go jump in, so they got their socks, their shoes, and the bottom half of their pants completely soaked. And now, Carlo's clearly freezing, but he's just toughing it out. Like I gave them jackets, I gave them beanies. They just take them off and go run. They're relentless. Alright, we just found a raccoon. Watch, he's drawing us out. Oh, there he is, right there. There he is. Got my light on him. There he is. Well, we made it through the night. That was an adventure, to say the least. Very cold. The boys were not comfortable to sleep with at all. So I basically didn't really sleep all night. I was just at that point where I was like asleep, but barely asleep. Yeah, just like not able to get that good REM sleep. So, but James is he's very tired. He only got about 3 hours of sleep. Maybe 3 hours.
You're up so early.
Yeah, I woke him up. I can't sleep when the light comes through the tent, and that was at about 5:30, and then I had to take a poo-poo shortly after that.
Wow,
But yeah, we're just checking in. We're gonna hang out today and then head back later, but see what happens next. Oh, there's a lot of raccoons last night. Probably just one raccoon, but he kept
coming back.
Yeah, he kept visiting us again and again. Yeah, James hooked him up with some tortillas, so I think that's why he kept coming back. But he was just like, yo, what's good on the tortillas? But all right, we'll check back in soon.